Earn money while making the most of your time. What if you could place one smart machine where people already wait and let it work for you all day? In this video, we look at 13 vending machines you can buy and run. Think gyms, offices, campuses, hotels, car washes, airports, and nightlife areas. Let us start. Helmet washing. Vending machine. Fresh helmets mean happy riders. This compact unit cleans and dries the inner liner in minutes. Purchase cost is about $1,000 to $2,000. Best places are motorcycle shops, indoor kart tracks, scooter rental hubs, and motorsport events. The audience is riders and renters who want a clean liner before they go. Add clear signs, a short how-to on screen, and a small bundle price for repeat use. Visit once or twice a week to refill and wipe surfaces. Automatic puzzle photo vending machine. This machine turns a photo into a printed puzzle while the customer watches. Purchase cost is about $5,000 to $6,000. Place it in malls near family activity zones, tourist spots, aquariums, and birthday party areas. The audience is families and visitors who want a quick gift or keepsake. Show sample puzzles on the glass, offer simple sizes, and keep blank stock ready. A small sign that says "Ready in minutes" helps people decide on the spot. Custom phone case. Make a case that is yours in a few minutes. This self-service kiosk lets a customer design and print a custom phone case on the spot. Purchase cost is about $5,000. How it works is simple. Pick your phone model on the touch screen, scan a QR code to upload a photo, adjust the image with easy tools, pay, and watch the machine print the case. It accepts credit cards, banknotes, coins, and mobile payment apps. Prints come out with bright color and clean detail on durable, soft silicone cases. Best locations are busy shopping malls, airports, cinemas, resort lobbies, and university campuses. The audience is shoppers, travelers, and students who want a fast gift or a style update without waiting for shipping. Keep popular phone models in stock and show a few sample designs on the glass so people stop and try it. Dog washing vending machine. A clean pup without the mess at home. The booth dispenses water, gentle shampoo, and warm air to dry. Purchase cost is about $7,000. Put it at self-service car washes, large apartment complexes that allow pets, dog parks, and trailheads. The audience is dog owners after a muddy walk or before a ride home. Post simple steps, offer towels in a tidy bin, and make the space bright and easy to see from the lot. Fresh squeezed orange juice vending machine. Whole oranges drop in, the squeeze is visible through a window, and a sealed cup comes out cold. Purchase cost is about $5,000. Place it at gyms, hospital lobbies, business parks, and grocery vestibules. The audience is people who want fresh juice with no line and no staff. Rotate fruit often, keep the viewing glass spotless, and add a small sign that says "Squeezed right now." Pair with a water or snack machine for simple cross choices. Fully automated SUP board rental vending machine, stand-up paddle boards, and paddles unlock with a code and return to the same bay. Purchase cost is about $5,000. Put it near lakes, river parks, hotel waterfronts, and marina club areas. The audience is beginners and casual paddlers who want a simple rental without a counter line. Add a short safety video, clear instructions, and a phone number for help. Check each morning and season and offer credits for locals to encourage weekday use. Fully automatic popcorn vending machine. Fresh kernels pop, flavor is added, and a warm cup drops. Purchase cost is about $1,000 to $2,000. Best locations are cinemas, bowling alleys, arcades, and family entertainment centers. The audience is groups and kids who follow the smell and want a warm snack now. Keep 2 sizes and a small set of flavors. Wipe the window often so people can see the pop. A sign that says "Fresh batch starting now" works well on busy nights. Premium gelato vending machine. Dense, cold gelato in a small footprint. A guest presses a button and gets real gelato, not soft serve. Purchase cost is about $4,000. Place it in hotels, conference centers, upscale food halls, and stadium club levels. The audience is travelers and event guests who want a premium dessert without a counter. Offer classic flavors plus 2 seasonal picks, keep cups and spoons tidy, and add a small card that says "Real milk and real fruit." Hot pizza vending machine, fully automatic. Pies sit chilled, bake on order, and drop boxed in a few minutes. Purchase cost is about $7,000 to $9,000. Ideal spots are college zones, truck stops, and hospitals with overnight staff. The audience is late-night students, drivers, and nurses who need hot food fast. Keep the menu simple, 2 sizes and 3 reliable flavors. Show the bake time on screen and place a drink machine nearby to complete the meal. Instant Noodles vending machine. A bowl drops, flavor is added, hot water fills, and a ready cup appears. Purchase cost is about $2,000. Place it in community colleges, warehouse break rooms, and late-night laundromats. The audience is people who want hot comfort food in a few minutes. Keep the top flavors, offer chopsticks and napkins in a side caddy, and set a clear, simple price. A nearby cold drink machine helps people finish the choice fast. Protein shake vending machine. It measures a scoop, mixes with water or milk, and shakes a cold drink. Purchase cost is about $3,000. Put it in gyms, high school training centers, and corporate wellness areas. The audience is members after a workout and staff between meetings. Offer 2 protein bases and 1 flavor add-in. Post a small sign that says, "Ready in under 1 minute." Restock on fixed days so regulars trust that it is always available. Bouquet flowers vending machine. Cooled bouquets, cleanly presented and ready to go. Purchase cost is about $5,000. Best locations are hotel lobbies, airports, and hospital entrances. The audience is travelers, visitors, and last-minute gift buyers. Keep designs simple. Rotate colors weekly and add a small card option. A neat front glass and soft light inside make the flowers look fresh and premium. Perfume fragrance. Fragrance. Travel size scents and testers in seconds. Purchase cost is about $1,000. Place it near hotel elevators, cinemas, beauty salons, and nightlife districts. The audience is guests before dinner, moviegoers, and travelers who forgot a fragrance. Curate a short list of popular scents and 1 rotating brand. Use clear labels by mood, fresh, warm, or bold so the choice is easy. Pick 1 machine from this list and scout 3 locations this week. Ask the manager for a simple revenue share and promise to keep the area spotless. Place the unit for a 7-day trial. Watch when people use it, keep the front clean, and restock on set days so trust builds fast. When 1 location proves steady use, add the second stop and start a simple route. If you want a deeper look at any model here, tell me the name and I will map first placement ideas you can test this month.